Axie endlessness value equivalent to $8.0170 a coin. The present exchange cost range, 7.9030 in an especially enormous way. The earlier day close, 8.0860, which basically is genuinely critical. The change truly was 0.0690, 0.85%, which essentially is genuinely huge. Converse rate, USD to Axie in a sort of enormous manner. Axie boundlessness value expectation in the not-so-distant future in month in a really significant manner. Axie vastness cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $8.26, sort of most extreme 8.84, beautiful least 7.68 in a significant way. Axie vastness estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $7.97, certainly most extreme 8.53, truly least 7.41 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost $7.76, by and large most extreme 8.30, really least 7.22, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost $6.98, essentially greatest 7.47, truly least 6.49, or so they truly thought. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost $6.99, most extreme 7.48, sort of least 6.50, or so they especially thought. In multi-week Axie endlessness figure on Monday, May 1, cost $7.08, especially most extreme 7.58, certainly least 6.58 in an unpretentious way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost $7.24, genuinely most extreme 7.75, lovely least 6.73 in a kind of significant manner. Axie vastness estimate on Wednesday, May 3, cost $7.23, extremely greatest 7.74, by and large least 6.72, which especially is very critical. Axie endlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $7.44, essentially most extreme 7.96, really least 6.92, which certainly is very huge. Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $7.60, by and large greatest 8.13 in every practical sense, least 7.07, so Axie endlessness conjecture on Thursday, April 27, cost $6.98, especially most extreme 7.47, exceptionally least 6.49, really in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $7.53, sort of greatest 8.06, least 7.00, or so they especially thought. Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $7.55, truly greatest 8.08, really least 7.02 in an all things considered, significant way. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $7.72, most extreme 8.26, exceptionally least 7.18 in an unpretentious way. Axie vastness conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.69, in every practical sense, greatest 8.23, especially least 7.15, or so they truly thought. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost $7.44, greatest 7.96, least 6.92 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Axie boundlessness estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $7.65, genuinely greatest 8.19, most certainly least 7.11, which basically is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $7.48, genuinely most extreme 8.00, fundamentally least 6.96 in an unpretentious way. Axie boundlessness figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $7.77, especially greatest 8.31, truly least 7.23 in a very large way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.86, most extreme 8.41, especially least 7.31, exhibiting the Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost $7.86, lovely greatest 8.41, truly least 7.31, which basically is genuinely huge. Axie vastness gauge on Friday, May 19, cost $7.86, sort of greatest 8.41, extremely least 7.31, which really is genuinely huge. In about a month Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost $7.68, beautiful greatest 8.22, extremely least 7.14 in a kind of significant manner. Axie Boundlessness Gauge on Tuesday, May 23, costs $7.80. By and large greatest 8.35, genuinely least 7.25 in an especially significant way. USD to Axie swapping scale really equivalent to 0.1247 coins per $1 in a genuinely enormous manner. Today, S reach 0.1237 minus 0.1265 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby 0.1237 in a kind of huge way. Change for now plus 0.0010, plus 0.81%, or so they sort of thought. USD to Axie cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future in month in a by and large significant manner. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Monday. April 24, cost 0.121 coins, sort of greatest 0.130, exceptionally least 0.113, which generally is genuinely critical. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.125 coins, sort of greatest 0.135, essentially least 0.117, exhibiting that Axie boundlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Axie endlessness gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.129 coins, beautiful greatest 0.139, really least 0.120, showing how the change truly was 0.0690, 0.85%, which explicitly is very critical. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.143 coins, especially greatest 0.154, least 0.134, or so they for the most part thought. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Friday, April 28, cost 0.143 coins, greatest 0.154, extremely least 0.134 in a quite huge way. In multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 0.141 coins, lovely most extreme 0.152, kind of least 0.132. So Axie endlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost $7.69, really greatest 8.23, exceptionally least 7.15, which certainly is very huge. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.138 coins, essentially most extreme 0.149, exceptionally least 0.129, or so they especially thought. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.138 coins, really most extreme 0.149, truly least 0.129 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.134 coins, lovely most extreme 0.145, in every practical sense, least 0.126, showing how Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $7.55, truly greatest 8.08, all things considered, least 7.02 in a truly significant way. USD to Axie forecast on Friday, May 5, cost 0.132 coins, essentially greatest 0.141, lovely least 0.123 incredibly. In about 14 days dollar to Axie limitlessness gauge on Monday, May 8, cost 0.133 coins, kind of greatest